Right, there we are. Well, he said it's impossible, is it possible, can't do it, it can't be done. Gotta buy this, gotta buy that, gotta spend hundreds of pounds to fix it. Gotta wait 8 weeks to get the part, and God, talking shit or what? What's the matter with that? Fixed it. Can't be done, it's a boat. Can't be done, it's a boat. Talking absolute freaking bollocks. It's done. All I gotta do now is fit down on top of there. Make sure it's sealed. Gasket sealer on that there. Put the bolts in it. Put it back together. That's waterproof there. That's some silicone in there. I put on there at the moment. It might get a little drip out of it. Oh shit! What we're doing? Might get a tiny little drip out of there. If I do, no big deal. I mean, I could just put some what do you call it? Can't remember what it's called now. The waterproof stuff on there. So anyway, silicone on there anyway. I mean, it's in there. It's just the shim's in there. The impeller's in there in the right way. I mean, what can you? Why is it impossible? Why can't you do these things? It's a boat. You can't do it. It's impossible. Talking absolute freaking shit. You gotta spend hundreds of pounds to fix it. Talking absolute shit. Absolutely shit. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that now. The £100 I'm gonna spend now on the parts, I'll have them as spares. So next time I do the impeller, I'll put all new parts in. Other than that, I can put my boat together and I'll have it running this afternoon. I will show you my running this afternoon with a water pump coming out of the exhaust. Crack on. Absolute talking shit. God, can't do it. It's impossible. It's a boat. Shut the fuck up. Talking shit. Right. Water pump's back in. You see it there. Now water pump's back in. Now I just got to do the hoses now. Reconnect the hoses. The sound motor and alternator back on. Oh, okay. Right, it's all back together. It took me a couple of hours to put it all back together, but it's all back together now. The water's turned on. I can't see any leaks from there at the moment. So from over here. Can't see any leaks. Everything seems okay. Got to put the diesel heater back in again. Put that back in, that's no problem. Just do it there. I'll put that back in a minute. So everything looks okay there. Okay, let's shoot. Let's see what happens if I start it. There we go. It's all plugged in. Check that, make sure there's electric on it. Yes, electric's on there. Power on. And just get ready to roll. Here we go. Here's time to make mix. See that? Any water. sure it's pumping. I'll be ready for the mess at the moment. See it's pumping. Woohoo! The water coming through. Yep. Just turn the throttle up a bit and seeing more water come through. Pumping, and there's no smoke either. Last time there was smoke on it last time. No smoke this time. Problem. There we are. An impossible job that couldn't be done. It's been done. Can't do it. It's impossible. You gotta spend hundreds of pounds to get it sorted. I did it for no money. Absolutely no money at all. I waited 8 weeks for a part to come. It was the wrong part. They sent it back. I bought stuff this, I get it done. So now I got it running. Engine's running lovely as it was before, no issue. No water coming out of there, what they call. Very powerful. And there's no smoke, only what it's supposed to be. That's no power on that water coming out of there. You know that? Can't be done, it's impossible. Bullshit. I fixed it.